Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool battery operated stick broom, but it's a lot more than just that. This is actually a vacuum cleaner that has multiple attachments. As you can see, I've kind of unboxed it a little bit here, but everything comes exactly as it should look. You've got your nice extension rod here. This allows you to hook on and actually extend this completely out if you want to. You can use it on here by simply attaching this piece onto here. You don't have to use this part. This is how you would actually extend it on if you added this part here to do the full effect. And I'll go ahead and show it first. You've actually got a V-shaped design on this brush roller head here, which has helped kind of an anti-tangle as it goes through. And this actually has quite a bit of suction. It was 48,000 PA of suction, so 48 kPa of suction, and is about a 65 watt unit here that actually runs off of this, which is a 2500 milliamp hour battery that should give you about 60 minutes worth of runtime. Simply going to slide it into the back. Everything is ready to roll. Now we're going to hold this thing up here, and on the back I'm going to show you the digital display. It actually has an LED digital display on the back of this here. You've got a couple different modes: eco mode, normal mode, turbo mode, turbo plus mode. It almost goes to ludicrous speed. But even on basic eco mode, let's go ahead and see what this thing can do as far as sucking some stuff up. I mean, it's just chewing right through it, even on eco mode. And look up here. So what you've got up here now, I'm going to shut that off. It's actually collected all in this dust cup, which is great. You can simply detach that part if you're not wanting to use it. You actually can go ahead and attach on one of these other attachments. You have everything from small brush heads to help clean out cars, clean out around crevices. That has multiple adjustments with it to do a brush or to do an actual suction there. A little fine nitty gritty tube here to get down like in between car seats and things like that. And all of it can be mounted on the wall using this here, which is a mount that allows you to charge the battery as well as keep all of your accessories, in here as well. They do send you with an extra filter and the charger to keep this thing completely charged up, but very versatile. Easy to go over here if we're wanting to disconnect here, push on this button, disconnect, dump all the stuff out so you don't have to touch your hands with it. This would work great pretty much in anyone's home.